Hey everyone, welcome to today's video, Affiliate Marketing, how I earn $100 a day with zero experience. If you've ever wanted to make money online but felt overwhelmed by all the tech talk, gurus, and information overload, this is for you, because I'm going to show you exactly how I went from zero knowledge to earning over $100 a day using nothing but my laptop, Wi-Fi, and some hustle. No fancy tools, no prior experience, and no product of my own to sell. Let's dive in. What is affiliate marketing? Okay, first things first. What is affiliate marketing? Affiliate marketing is a business model where you promote other people's products or services and earn a commission for every sale, lead, or action that happens through your special affiliate link. Let's say you sign up for a company like Amazon's affiliate program. You grab a link to a product, say a coffee maker, and if someone clicks your link and buys it, you earn a commission. Simple as that. You don't handle inventory. You don't deal with customer service. You're just the middleman or middlewoman connecting people with products they already want. Why affiliate marketing works for beginners? Now you might be wondering, but I'm a complete beginner. I have no clue how any of this works. Perfect. Because that's exactly where I started. Here's why affiliate marketing is great for beginners. No need to create your own product. You don't need a big budget. It works in almost every niche: fitness, beauty, tech, finance, you name it. It's scalable. You can start part-time and grow over time. You can do it anonymously, no face on camera required. If you can write a post, record a short video, or share a helpful link, you can do affiliate marketing. How I got started. Let me walk you through how I started. I was broke, bored, and Googling how to make money online. Sound familiar? I stumbled on affiliate marketing and decided to give it a shot. Here's what I did. Step 1. Chose a niche. I picked something I was interested in, personal finance. I liked learning how to save and budget, and I knew others did too. Step 2. Found affiliate programs. I signed up for affiliate programs like Amazon Associates, ShareSale, Rakuten, and even individual ones like Bluehost and Skillshare. These programs gave me unique tracking links. Step 3. Created simple content. I didn't even have a website at first. I started posting on Medium articles, Pinterest boards, TikTok with voiceovers and simple slides. Reddit threads, yes, it works if done respectfully. I created valuable content like Top 5 budgeting tools that saved me $500. Best beginner side hustles for 2025. And in every post, I sprinkled my affiliate links naturally. Step 4. Optimized and stayed consistent. I wasn't perfect, but I was consistent. I posted something every day. I tracked which posts performed well and doubled down on those styles. My $100 a day strategy. Once I found a groove, my strategy looked like this. 1. Use evergreen platforms. I focused on platforms where content doesn't just disappear after 24 hours. Unlike Instagram stories or TikToks that fade fast, evergreen platforms allow your content to keep working for you long after you hit publish. Some of my go-tos included YouTube. A well-optimized video can continue to get views and clicks for years. Blogging. Articles I wrote months ago still bring in organic traffic daily. Pinterest. Pins can resurface and go viral weeks or even months after posting. Email marketing. Once someone's on your list, you don't need to rely on algorithms anymore. By focusing on these, I created assets that brought in passive traffic and commissions even while I slept or took days off. 2. Solve real problems. Instead of vague content, I made sure each piece addressed a clear, real-world issue. Think. How to save money fast. Help people on tight budgets. Best freelance platforms for beginners. Attracted side hustlers. Tools I used to build my website for under $50 showed people budget-friendly options. This strategy built trust, brought repeat visitors, and gave me a natural way to promote affiliate products I genuinely used and believed in. 3. Build an email list. This was the turning point. I created a simple lead magnet budgeting toolkit PDF and offered it in exchange for emails. Once people joined, I built a relationship through emails like how I saved $100 this month, my favorite cashback apps, 3 tools that helped me hit $100 a day online. Each email included valuable tips, personal stories, and affiliate links. The best part, my email list was mine. If a social media platform disappeared tomorrow, I'd still be able to reach my audience directly. 4. Track everything. To grow, I had to know what worked. I kept it simple. Google Sheets, track my content calendar, affiliate earnings, and ideas. Bitly, pretty links, shortened URLs and monitored which ones got the most clicks. Notion, organized my affiliate links, content plans, and marketing notes. By tracking performance, I could double down on high-converting products and cut out the duds, no guesswork. This combination of evergreen content, problem-solving, list building, and analytics became my blueprint to consistent $100 a day earnings, and it's scalable. Common mistakes to avoid. Here are a few mistakes I made early on that you can avoid. Spamming links without value, promoting products I didn't try or believe in. Giving up after 2 weeks of no sales. Ignoring SEO and keywords, trying to do too many niches at once. Affiliate marketing is simple, but not easy. You have to learn what works for your audience, test things out, and stay patient. My favorite tools, free and paid. You don't need a ton of tools, but here are some I found helpful. Free, Canva, for making graphics, Medium AI for blogging. TikTok, Instagram Reels, for short-form content, Bitly, to shorten and track links. MailerLite, for beginner email marketing. Paid optional, once you're earning. ConvertKit, for more advanced email automation. Jasper AI for content ideas, TubeBuddy, for optimizing YouTube videos. A cheap website via Bluehost or Hostinger. Final thoughts, is affiliate marketing worth it? Look, affiliate marketing changed my life. I'm not saying it'll make you a millionaire overnight, but if you can commit to learning, testing, and building trust with your audience, it's 100% possible to earn your first $100 a day and grow from there. And you don't need to be a marketing genius, you just need to be helpful. Focus on creating content that helps people solve real problems, and the money will follow. If you found this helpful, give it a like and share it with someone who wants to start making money online. I also put together a free affiliate marketing starter guide. You can download it below in the description. And if you want me to dive deeper into the exact content I post, which programs pay the most, or how to start an email list, drop a comment below and let me know. Until next time, stay consistent, stay curious, and stay building.